4 sneakers from 4 different brands under 3000 rupees. This is going to be a very fun video and a very quick, very short, very simple video. So let's go. What is up people, this is Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, I'm excited for this video and we are going to start with my favorite sneaker on this list. This is a banger pair at a craziest price. I believe this is the least expensive pair on this list and my favorite on this list as well. So let's see the pair. It is from Reebok. You can obviously see that the box is bit okay. Let's go. So this is Reebok Urban Wave, a very beautiful silhouette from Reebok. This sneaker has mesh, synthetic leather, plastic, and they have combined all of this together to make this sneaker look this beautiful. I love all the different paneling on this sneaker. This is a very lightweight sneaker, very comfortable sneaker, and looks great. This will be very versatile for office and even for college. Great comfort, fits true to size, such a beautiful silhouette, and very versatile color. And all of this just for 2120 rupees. That is a mind-blowing price in my opinion for this beautiful Reebok pair. Now we are going to talk about my second favorite sneaker on this list, and I believe we are going in order, but yes, this is my second favorite sneaker on this list and it is from Puma. It had to be from Puma. Like under this price range, Puma gives you the best sneakers, I believe. So let's unbox this. This is Puma Club 2 Era Retro Run. A full canvas upper sneaker with hints of leather on the toe box, around the toe guard and back heel. For some reason this colorway, this particular sneaker in this particular colorway reminds me of Goa. I don't know why, but it does. It has that vibe, like it vibrant colors, all of that, and maybe that is the reason. I just loved the colorway on this sneaker. This blue on this sneaker looks so beautiful and Puma has named it sea glass color, and that looks very pretty. Even this red is not that dark red in hand. When you see the sneaker you will understand, but yes, this sneaker is way too beautiful. It also has this gum bottom and that looks very clean on this particular pair. This sneaker has its own vibe and its own character, and I love that. Good comfort, fits true to size, and you can get this pair at a great price. That is 2624 rupees. That is a way too beautiful price for this beautiful sneaker. Coming to the next sneaker on this list, and we have Adidas box. So yes, you know, obviously it is an Adidas pair, and let's unbox this pair. This is Adidas Advantage 2.0, a very clean all white sneaker from Adidas. This silhouette reminds me of Adidas Stan Smith, and you know the reasons why. This is a very sleek, very simple, very minimal kind of a pair, and you can rock this pair with a ton of different outfits. You also get a very minimal clean green back tab on the sneaker, and that looks elegant on this pair. Apart from all this, you do not have anything on this pair. It is very minimal, very clean, just a basic white sneaker. If you need something like this can be a very good pair for you. It has decent amount of comfort. It will match your everyday outfits. If you're in office, if you're in college, you wear normal clothes like relaxed fit denim, normal trousers or anything like that, this sneaker is perfect for you. You can get this sneaker for 2623 rupees. That is a great price in my opinion because this looks very clean for that price. Okay, now we have a Nike box, that bright orange Nike box. I'm super excited for this pair. It is a very different pair. It is not a sneaker, but yes, you can wear this pair for everyday wear as well. Like, let's unbox this, then we'll talk. This is Nike Downshifter 13. This is the most affordable Nike running sneaker in my opinion. This sneaker looks good, very lightweight, great in comfort obviously because it is a running sneaker, and I genuinely feel this can be a great daily wear sneaker for you guys. If you are in college, you want something like this just to walk around and something like that, this can be a great fit for you. Like in this sneaker you can walk the whole day. You get good amount of comfort. You get full mesh upper on this pair for great breathability, really good midsole for amazing comfort, and I specifically love this colorway because that green really pops on this all white upper. This sneaker fits true to size, amazing in comfort at this price point from Nike, and this one is for everyone who is looking for a great budget friendly running sneaker. This can be your pick. The prices on this pair keeps on fluctuating. I got this pair for 2,800 rupees. Right now it is around 3,180, something like that. So if you get this sneaker around your budget, you should pick it up. So these are 4 sneakers from 4 different brands under 3,000 rupees, which I got from the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. It is live right now. You can go and check it out. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.